see yung kanilang price, 200 yen plus the tax. So, 216. So, tingnan nyo lagi yung maliit na price, wag yung malaki. So, ito naman, 209, and then plus the tax, 225. So, mga nasa ano yan, around 77 or 78 pesos yung bawat isa. So, makikita nyo dyan, ito, directly translated, soft and creamy small takoyaki. Or small balls, takoyaki, small balls with dashi stock. And ito maganda sa Japan, you can see the nutritional information. Nandyan yung may carbohydrate, calories, protein, fat, and salt. And then sa likod makikita nyo yung other additives daw. Makikita nyo dyan. And then yung expiration, ayan, March 6, okay, 4 o'clock. And then content, how many pieces? 4 pieces. So, ganito rin to. Sinasabi naman dito yung delicious broccoli and egg salad nila. So ito yung takoyaki nila, yung ordinary takoyaki nila. Kasi marami kang mabibilhan itong takoyaki. So, ito siya, oh. So, it's very creamy talaga nga siya. So, kaya takoyaki, meaning taco. Taco yung octopus. Ayan, takoyaki. Octopus. Ayan. And then, here, ito namang isa, ito naman yung kanilang egg and broccoli salad with shrimp. Yan, favorite ko yan with shrimp. Sarap-sarap niyan. Yan, broccoli. Yan. Okay, let's eat. So delicious and yummy. Tadakimasu. Okay, tadakimasu means thank you for the meal. Okay, thank you for the blessings. Okay, thank you.